how to download your Facebook gaming on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download your Facebook gaming on Facebook mobile. Fast and easy. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and here just go down until you find download your information, click on it and then just click this one. Click this one, deselect all and then select Facebook gaming and go down, click create file and then just wait and it will be created. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.